Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog. Today we will make wet cookies. It's my favorite recipes because it's easy and delicious. I can start. Firstly, crack an eggs. And I add 1 tea glass sugar. Then mixing all of them. After mixing, we add 125 grams of margarines. And again mixing all of them. After that, we add 1 tea glass of oil, 4 tablespoons of cacao, one pack of baking powder, one pack of vanilla, and finally 3 glasses of flour. And finally, we kneading all of them. After kneading, firstly let's take one-size pieces and roll them in the palm of your hand to shape them with this. After preparing the cookies, we put them in the oven and we set oven temperature to 180 degrees. While our cookies are baking, for the sauce, we add 2 glasses of water and 2 glasses of sugar. And we are mixing all of them. After mixing, we are boiling them. After boiling, your sauce is ready. You can put in a bowl to cool. Finally, we dip the cookies into the sauce and we place them. Cookies is ready.